Hey, I'm Paul Owens, the president of Gem Supply, and I wanted to personally invite you to the Cleaning Festival and Rockstar Talks, where you'll have an opportunity to meet manufacturers from our industry, get a sneak peek on new innovative products, connect with industry leaders, and learn some best practices to grow your business or improve your facility's maintenance processes. During the day's events, we'll be celebrating the rock stars that keep our facilities safe, clean, and healthy by awarding the National Rockstar Custodian of 2022. Listen to keynote addresses at 10 a.m., visit all the booths, and win a prize. We got some huge giveaways, including a $7,000 auto scrubber. Please join us at one of the cleaning festivals in your backyard. In Orlando, February 23rd, Tampa is March 9th, Lakeland is March 23rd, and Ocala is April 6th. And if you're up north, this is a great time of the year to get out of the cold and come down to Florida for a little work vacation. This is a free ticketed event, so follow the link below and reserve your spot, and we'll see you there.